This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lisa Jerrolds. All one level, 3 bedroom, 2 bath with 2 car garage and super private yard. This well-loved home is ready for a new family who want to make it their own. This one floor plan with large master and a fabulous outdoor space is ready for some new paint and carpet. The mountains views from the front porch and surrounding subdivision are breathtaking. Call for your showing today and start the new year in your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Jerrolds at 865-342-4200.